with a vision to be an institution rooted in research and excellence, and a mission to produce globally competent, socially responsible, and God-centered doctors. The PLTCI, Asia Pacific College of Medicine and Research, is the first ever resort medical school in Asia. The institution's spacious classrooms and lecture halls with multimedia setups supplement the learning experience, and the huge campus is conducive to the learning experience of our students. The College of Medicine also caters to international students in line with its vision of internationalization and the mission to produce globally competent doctors. There are many students from India who are preparing for their future medical career at the College of Medicine. The college has stringent security measures for foreign students with 24-hour security, round-the-clock closed-circuit camera monitoring around the campus, etc. The college is the first in the Philippines to be located in a wellness center which complements the learning experience of the students. The students can relax at the center's swimming pool and bowling center during their free time. The curriculum itself is designed to impart a holistic medical education to the students. The institution's medical degree is recognized across the globe. The College of Medicine is listed with the World Directory of Medical Schools, WDOMS, jointly maintained by FAMER and WFME of the World Health Organization. The program is also recognized by the National Medical Council of India. The administration, the staff, the lecturers are all friendly and approachable. The curriculum and teaching are in par with international universities. The talented faculty of the institution are committed to producing the best doctors for the world. The institution has its own PLTCI Medical Center where students are exposed to clinical sciences during their second and third year of medicine, and clinical clerkship experience is obtained from Region 2 Trauma and Medical Center, a 650-bedded hospital run by the national government. The education at PLTCI Asia Pacific College of Medicine and Research is one of a kind, and our holistic approach to the Doctor of Medicine program will help you shine in your career wherever life may take you. Choose 21st century education. Choose international exposure. Choose innovation. Choose cutting-edge technology. Choose PLTCI Asia Pacific College of Medicine and Research.